Hey girls, welcome back to another vlog. The kids are all sleeping. Thankfully, I was able to beat them and they're all still sleeping. So I'm taking time to fill my cup, girl, because if you don't fill your cup, you can't fill someone else's cup. So please, let's take some time to take care of ourselves because I know we forget. And I mean, filling your cup looks a lot of ways. Like you could do skincare, you could do makeup, you could do your Bible study, you could do some reading outside in the sun, drinking your coffee, drinking any beverage if you don't drink coffee. But yeah, self-care looks in so many ways. I've been liking this Mixune Beam Cream. This thing is so hydrating. I put it on yesterday and it felt amazing. I seen a girl and she's like, I feel that wearing your jewelry makes you more girly. So I'm not girly if I don't wear my jewelry. Some people just come up with the funniest, like, scenarios. I don't know. Like my Pavio stack ring, and it's a cheaper version of like the real deal because the real deal is on another level, girl. I just feel better when I look good, you know? I feel better. I feel put together. Whew. It's cold, huh? I'm talking to the dog. If you notice like some bulkiness, it's this like...
Tech cares about your baby's safety. Please install the baby unit.
That's my baby monitor, don't mind that. But yeah, if you notice something really bulky, it is my Feeling Girl shape belt. And this thing is amazing. It's like a shaper, right? It's gonna help with like your waist. So it's a waist trainer, but it also like just grabs your tummy, your fupa, whatever's going on, and just sucks her in. And with time, because you're like holding it in, you're training your like ab muscles, I guess. I don't know. In time, it should like help you shrink your tummy, right? I have not been vibing with my breakfast yet lately. Oh, big yawn. I have not been vibing with my breakfast lately, girl. Ill. And not ill because I'm grateful for even being able to have food. But like, I need to switch it up because lately I've been just doing turkey bacon and 1 cup of egg whites. And yesterday I did that and it just wasn't cutting it. So we'll see what I end up doing today because I'd rather just not eat anything for breakfast. Before you do any like coffee, soda, whatever, juice, do some water. It helps like wake up the digestive system. I don't know. It works though. I've noticed I can drink less coffee. I used to do like 3 to 4 cups a day and now I'm going off of 1 coffee and 1 ghost. So like that's less than what I was having in my opinion. I'll take it. What doing? What doing? The kids are in the room, so it's like extra quiet right now. Come on. Go poisson. Can you go pee pee? Do you need to go pee-pee? Should I wear Lonnie's little cover-up thing? Because I'm cold.
Mom, I did my bed.
I know. I saw.
Your tail and your collar. And Mom,
Yeah, she's loud.
I'm trying to teach them how to touch you. And
I just had to go and take the dog to the groomers because she needed to shower really bad because she was stanky. But I'm gonna go ahead and make me a coffee and then probably like lunch because it's already 11. So like, why would I make breakfast at this point? She doesn't like to eat like right when she wakes up, so that's why I'm gonna feed her now. I've been wanting everything I can't have. I'm more so like, I love my carbs, so like toast, pancakes, pasta. I haven't had pasta in a minute, now that I'm like saying it out loud. So for me,
I love pasta.
I know, I love me some spaghetti, some mac and cheese, all the goods. Like if you're trying to lose weight, it's bad for you. You know, feeding a toddler is like wrestling a dinosaur.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, London. I brought you food. Don't touch it, okay?
Hello, Dad. I got my phone.
You said what?
I got my phone. And
Okay.
Nana, Nani gonna keep Nana. I like you, Nana.
I already got it on. I thought it was too small, but it's actually not at all. Lo cerré toditito.
Get up. There's some Barbies.
It's on the hotter side outside, so we're doing a little bit of a vitamin D. Hey, you want water?
But that looks good. It looks like you're gonna see.
Can you see it? That thing is fucking ugly.
I'm gonna kill. Oh my god.
No, you're gonna miss.
No, I have a pointer.
You missed.
Shit this time.
You're gonna miss, Leon.
I'm not gonna miss anything.
Move, London. It's gonna run. You missed again. No, de aquí a que tú hagas algo, eso ya se fue.
If Dad's not home.
So I'm making my Jello again. I'm using the same one as last time, and then I did a little bit of banana, strawberry, and blueberry mixture. That's in here. I defrosted it a little bit. I'm gonna do 1 whole can of the coconut milk, and then I'm gonna put these little mandarins on top because I like the flavor. So I'm just gonna whisk this until it's all combined. This is actually very delicious, and it's also sugar-free.
I calculate people consume the entire supply of food on Earth in 48 hours. This pig must be stopped.
Look at that thing. It is so gross.
What I do is I put a little bit of honey since I don't do sugar. And then that bad boy is just gonna go in the fridge for at least an hour, but I leave it in there for more than that. Let me find a spot for it. I'm gonna try this ghost with you guys. I've never had it. This is the original flavor. I'm nervous. I'm hoping it's like coconutty because the white. Doesn't smell like coconut. I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite. Tastes like lemon. It's confused.
Like lemon?
Yeah, it tastes like tropical lemon. If you know me, you know that I love the blue one and orange creamsicle. Those two are so good. This one, it's like a 6 out of 10. Please do yourself a favor. I know that you've seen these on TikTok and all the raving with nah. Okay, I too fell into that. But I only tried it because these are only 90 calories and it's quite a bit of snack. So I tried it and they're bomb. So far, I love the s'mores and the birthday cake. I have not tried the cookies and cream, so I'm gonna try that one today. But yeah, if you're looking for a healthy snack, wow, look, they have cinnamon, berry, strawberry, chocolate. Is that in here? Or just today? Just these?
Remember that time we were ambushed by the Dream Jingo and they stole the ring of Destiny?
Oh yeah, that was so depressing.
No, the ring was a booby trap. It was awesome.
Depressing, I mean awesome.
Bro, that took a long time for you to notice me.
Look, this was my mom, you
I'll
guys.
ask Joe Lord what his favorite leftover meat is.
So, what's your favorite subject in school?
Meat. The category was leftover meat.
She's nice and clean. We didn't cut her hair this time, but she did get a shower. She's nice and white now. This girl.
Two. Maybe we'll play online later?
Yeah, that'd be depressing.
What did you choose?
Popcorn.
Come on, bedtime. What did you do? What is this? Memory box?
Look, come on. I did that. My memory box.
Oh, oh, that's your secret. You gotta keep them concealed. Too? Oh, you can show me. Close that.
Why?
All right, it's time for bed though. Let's get some PJs. Come on. All right, we've got some laundry going. I'm gonna let her go pee-pee. And then I'm going to bed, guys, because I'm tired. It's dark out here. Well, not that bad. The light turned on for me. You gotta go pee-pee? Come on. Look how pretty, the moon. I'm just gonna go ahead and close everything down. Girl, don't mind the crazy hair. I'm about to go take this makeup off and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Johnny Bobby.